Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you're having a fantastic day. Y'all, it's time to do some more stocking stuffers. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by. Thank you all so much for choosing to spend a portion of your day with me, for subscribing to my channel, for supporting me in any positive way. I really do appreciate it. So today we're still making stocking stuffers, and we're going to add to that wonderful theme we have running of ways to relax. And this is one of those ways. I'm not going to open it yet, but I'll show you exactly what we're working with in just a moment. So, y'all know what time it is. It's time to make it. All right, y'all, so here is a closer look at today's really sweet, really inexpensive stocking stuffer. It falls right in line with all of the other items we've been making to stuff stockings, or you can use these to make a themed gift basket, because there is a little theme going here. We are kicking back, putting on those fuzzy socks, sipping tea or hot chocolate, and then we're going to just pull out this book and do some word searches. Super, super simple. We have a pocket on the inside where you can add all types of other little items if you wanted to, but this is going to be very easy. So here's what I'm going to be using to make mine. I'm sure you can find something similar. So I have these puzzle books from the Dollar Tree, and this one is a 5x7 word search. And you can see there are lots of word search puzzles in this book, 5x7. And then I have two pieces of 5 1/4 by 7 1/4 inch cardstock, and it's really beautiful, y'all. And I'm going to be using that to cover this book. Then I have a piece for the inside pocket that measures 3 by 4 3/4. And then I have some cut aparts that I'll be throwing in. I have a mat that I might use that is 3 1/4 by 4 1/4. And then a white mat that is 3 by 4. So I might work those in, might not. And then I'm going to be using some stickers. Super, super simple. So I have applied adhesive to the back of my cardstock using my Xyron Creatopia. Now, if you don't have a Xyron Creatopia, there are Xyrons on the market that will apply adhesive up to 3 inches, 5 inches, and 9 inches. So the 9-inch machine would definitely work for this. You can also use the 5-inch sticker maker, but that just means that you have to be a little extra careful when placing it down because your placement would need to be exact. If you don't have a sticker maker, you can apply tape to the back of this. I wouldn't glue it because the glue might cause this to warp. So I am just going to peel away my little tape backer here. And I am just going to take this, and when I place it down, I am going to place it fairly close to the spine. And I might not get exact placement, y'all, but that's okay. And so now when I open this, I am just going to trim away any overhang. And I know quite a few of you have found Xyron Creatopias on eBay and Craigslist. And some of you have purchased the Xyron 5 and 9-inch sticker maker, which is great. So then I'm going to take my second piece, and I am going to do the same thing by placing it down. And then I'm going to remove the excess, just like I did on the front. And I'm using my finger blade, but you can use scissors on this to remove that excess. All right, so now that we have this covered, I really don't like that I didn't lay my paper down straight and I have that purple showing. So I am just going to use the flip side of my double-sided paper. And I am going to place down just this little border piece. Just to help cover up where my placement wasn't too great. And then I'll use my little baby spatula to make sure I have everything nice and stuck. Flip this over. And again, I'm going to trim away my excess. And so there, I like that much better. I actually like how that looks. And I like that it's nice and even coming down the ends. You don't really have to worry about it if you don't want to, but for me, it was bothering me just a little bit. So that's why I put that piece there. So now I'm going to open this so that we can place our pocket. I am going to take my glue, and on the piece that measures 3 by 4 3/4 inches, I am going to place some glue so that we can just create a little pocket. And I'll take it, place it right there. And then once that dries, we're going to have a very nice, tight fitting pocket. So I think what I'm going to do is, I was going to use a green mat, but I think that's too stark. So I've swapped it out for this Dusty Rose mat. And I'm just going to place this down on top, just like that. And I think it works better. So I am going to take my tape runner I have placed some tape on this 3 by 4 inch piece. I am going to place that down. And now I will add some tape to the back of this piece. I'm going to take this piece and we're just going to place it down like that. Then I'm going to take my stickers, and I think what I'm going to do is I am going to take this sticker, because it's a little rose. I'm going to put it right there first. And then I think I'm going to take the sticker that says, "But first, tea." And I'm going to put it right there. So that actually works for me. And I think the tea theme is perfect because it falls right in line with the tea boxes that we made earlier this week. So I'm just going to open this and put in these cut apart. And they are both from the Alice in Wonderland collection. And this one says, "Would you like an adventure now, or shall we have our tea first?" And this one says, "Every adventure requires the first step." So I am going to take these and just put them on the inside like that. And now we have our second awesome book that we can add to our stocking stuffer collections that we might be making to give to someone. And as I said earlier, not only are these stocking stuffers, but you have the foundation here to make a gift basket because we've got a theme running. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed today's project. If you have, please hit the like button. If you are not a subscriber to my channel, I would love to have you join this amazing online crafting family. You guys, as always, please be safe, be kind, happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.